everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So these are my nails to start with. That dot that's on my finger is actually a blood clot from when I slammed my finger in the door. And here are some cotton rounds and 100% acetone, and I'm just going to use that to clean up my fingers. Well, there's some polish still on my nails, so I was trying to clean it up, and my thumb was burning because I'm the type that I don't necessarily bite the sides of my thumb, but I always try to think I'm cleaning it up by taking skin off and just making it worse. So yeah, that's how that goes. But now I'm taking a cuticle stick and basically cleaning underneath my nails. Normally my nails aren't dirty. Probably the dirtiest nail would be the one on my right hand, which is my thumb and my index finger, because I eat hot Cheetos, hot puffs, mostly hot puffs all the time, like flaming hot anything. So those fingers tend to be red. And when I used to go to nail shops, they were like, why are your fingers red? They thought it was blood. No, it's just hot puffs. So I'm just taking what is this thing called? What is that thing called? Really? You gonna draw a blank right now? Really, Sadie? What is that called? Hold on, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Nail file. Okay, so my nail file. I'm taking that and basically filing down the gloss. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. I was taking the nail file and filing down the glossy part on the top of my nail so that the glue that I will use will stick better and the nails will last longer. So my nails are already measured and laid out, and I'm taking the Kiss glue. This one is actually better than the brush-on glue, the one with the little brush tip to it, because I felt like that one was creating too much of a thin layer that my nails weren't holding. Like every time I grabbed something or touched something, them nails were popping. But this glue, it does not one nail has came off, and this glue lasts about at least like a week and a half to 2 weeks. Now, I'm not against long nails because I do like long nails, but I'm in that phase where I'm just only rocking short nails for a while, but I'm pretty sure I'll end up wearing long nails again. But you got to be careful when cutting these nails because they will fly everywhere, and it seemed like every nail that I was cutting was shooting straight into the LED lamp. Like, I was like, really? So it's just, yeah, you got to be careful when you cut these. But I don't want them too short, but I wanted them short. And that white line that you see, it doesn't show when it's underneath the polish. So I'm just shaping up my nails how I want them to be. So I was debating on whether or not I wanted to use the base coat since the nail is already kind of like slick and shiny. I didn't know if the base coat was really necessary, but I used it anyway. Everything that I'm using I got from Amazon. I will link everything down below. And I only spent $60. That's the lamp included, the 8 different gel polishes and the base coat and top coat. All that was like $60 in total, plus the nails also. I already had put my first layer of gel polish on, and I struggled with staying in the lines because this is not regular polish. You can't just take acetone and clean it up. So I did learn a trick on Google that I Googled on how to make sure you don't get it on your nails, or at least take it off. Keep your cuticles moisturized or put lotion around it and then go in and polish it, and that will keep it supposedly from sticking. So I'm gonna try that next time. So when I went in with the second coat, I actually put the LED lamp on 90 seconds instead of 60 seconds. And then I went in with some glitter on top of my middle finger where I had that black dot, because I felt like I was seeing it through, but maybe because I know it's there, that's the only reason why I was seeing it. And I really feel like I could have done a better job in taking my time and polishing the nails inside the lines instead of getting on my fingers, but it didn't come out so bad. I still was pleased with the results. I do not go to the nail shop anymore. Like, I haven't went in a long time, at least 2 months. I know for sure 2 months. But here's the finished result.